Hello friends, now we will discuss the challenging questions on quadratic equation. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रों, quadratic equation या चॅप्टर वर आपण challenging question discuss करणार आहोत. Now the first question. If the cost of banana is increased by rupees per dozen, okay, one can get 2 dozen less for rupees 840. Find the original cost of 1 dozen banana, and this we want to find out. Therefore, the first is, let the original cost of 1 dozen banana be rupees X. Then we have the rupees 840. Therefore, in 840 we will get the 840 upon X dozen banana can be brought for rupees 840. 840 rupees ला आपल्याला किती डझन बनाना मिळतील? 840 upon X. Okay. Now the cost of 1 dozen banana is increased by rupees 1. Then you will get, that is a rupees X plus 1. That is a, now the cost of 1 dozen banana is rupees X plus 1. Suppose it is increased by 1 rupees. Then in 840 we will get the 840 upon X plus 1 dozen banana can be brought for rupees 840. Okay. And what was that difference? That difference was when the cost is increased by 1 rupee per dozen, then one can get 2 dozen less. Okay. And therefore, in first case, we get 840 upon X. And in second case, we get 840 upon X plus 1. And that difference is equals to 2. Now we'll simplify this. Take 840 as a common. Then you will get here in bracket 1 upon X minus 1 upon X plus 1 is equals to 2. हे simplify करना. Okay. Divide on both sides by 2. If the 2 is divide 840 upon 2, you will get 420. And here the cross multiplication. X plus 1, X into 1 minus X. And to the denominator, या दोघांचं multiplication. That is X into X plus 1, that's equals to 1. Okay. Now if we simplify this, here is the plus X and minus X get cancelled. In the numerator, you will get 1 into 8, 420. Okay, 420 upon X in bracket X plus 1. Okay, numerator la tumhala 420 to the denominator X in bracket X plus 1, and that's equals to 1. Today cross multiplication करना है. That is a 420 is equals to 1 into X plus 1. आता simplification, X into X, X square, X into 1, you will get here X. Put a simplification, X square plus X minus 420. Okay. Then what are the factors? The factors are 21 and minus 20. Okay. या दोघांचं product किती तर? Minus 420. Okay. Therefore, the factors are in bracket X plus 21, in another bracket X minus 20. जर तुम्हाला फॅक्टर्स जर करायचे असतील, you can perform like this. It's a 420 divided by 2. You get here 210. Again divided by 2, 105. Then next is divided by 3. आता 3 ने त्याला डिव्हिजन जाणार नाही. Therefore, you have 35. Next, divide by 5, you will get 7. And the last is. Now select the two pairs. That is a 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, you will get here 20. Next, 3 into 7. That is a 21. And these are the factors. Okay. Now the next. Therefore, X plus 21 is equals to 0, or X minus 20 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 21, or X is equals to 20. The cost cannot be negative. Therefore, X is equals to minus 21 is not possible. Therefore, X is equals to 20. And hence the answer, the original cost of 1 dozen banana is rupees 20. Okay. Now the next example. If alpha and beta are the roots of equation 4x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0, find the equation whose roots are alpha plus 3 beta, 3 alpha plus beta. Next. Solution. The given equation 4x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. We compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. The value of a is 4, b is minus 5, c is 2. Now the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. That is a minus 5 by 4 minus that will become plus alpha into beta c by a 2 by 4 and that is equals to 1 upon 2. Now here the what type of the roots for the new quadratic equation, that is alpha plus 3 beta and 3 alpha plus beta. These are the roots. Now their sum. First आपण काय find out करणार, त्यांचा sum find out करणार and then the product of these roots. Now alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 alpha plus beta, alpha plus 3 alpha, then you have the 4 times alpha, 3 beta plus beta, 4 beta, take 4 as a common, then in bracket alpha plus beta. Whatever the alpha plus beta is a 5 by 4 and 4 here get cancelled and here you have the sum of the roots that's equals to 5. Okay. Now the next is products of the roots. The roots are alpha plus 3 beta and 3 alpha plus beta. म्हणजे याचा product तयार करणार. Alpha into 3 alpha, that is a 3 alpha square. Alpha. First alpha into 3 alpha, you will get 3 alpha square. Alpha into beta, you will get here alpha beta. And the next is a 3 beta into 3 alpha. You will get 9 times alpha into beta and overall you will get here 10 times alpha into beta and hence here 10 alpha into beta. And the last is 3 beta into beta, you will get 3 beta square. Okay. Now this term can be arranged like this. That is a 3 alpha square. 10 times alpha into beta can be written as, that is a 6 alpha beta. Okay. And here is a 3 beta square plus 4 times alpha into beta. जो राहिलेला आपला alpha into beta होता तो आपण इथे घेतलेला आहे. This 4 alpha into beta plus 6 times alpha into beta, that makes 10. Okay. म्हणजे हा 10 या प्रकारे आपण इथे लिहिलेला आहे. Next take 3 as a common from all these 3 terms. Okay. If you take 3 as a common, then you will have in bracket alpha square. If I take 3 as a common, then in bracket alpha square plus 2 times alpha into beta plus beta square. And that is nothing but alpha plus beta bracket square. That is a 3 in bracket alpha plus beta bracket square plus 4 times alpha into beta. Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta, which is 5 by 4. Okay, 5 by 4, it's a bracket square plus 4 into alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is 1 upon 2. आता हे simplification करणार. 5 by 4 means what? 25 by 16. 25 into 3, you will get 75 upon 16. 4 into 1 upon 2, you will have 2. Okay, simplification करता 2 मिळेल तुम्हाला. 16 into 2, 32 plus 75 upon 16. Okay, and what about their sum? 75 plus 32, you will have 107 upon 16. And hence, the products of the roots. नवीन जे quadratic equation आपण तयार करायचे त्याचे products of the roots, that is in first bracket alpha plus 3 beta into second bracket 3 alpha plus beta, that is equals to 107 upon 16. Therefore the required quadratic equation x square minus sum of the roots into products of the roots, and that's equals to 0. The sum of the roots is equals to 5, that is x square minus 5x plus 107 upon 16, which is the product of the roots, that's equals to 0. Whole equation la 16 ne multiply karna and then you will get 16x square minus 80x plus 107, and hence this is the required quadratic equation. Now next. Now solve this quadratic equation. 30 in bracket x square plus 1 upon x square minus 77 in bracket x minus 1 upon 7 minus 12, and that's equals to 0. Okay. A quadratic equation solve करायचे. First, always consider this term, middle term. या middle term मध्ये आपल्याला कोणत्या स्वरूपाचं टाइपचं ते दिलेलं आहे. x minus 1 upon x or x plus 1 upon x या फॉर्म मध्ये दिलंय का, आणि त्यानुसार आपण हे टर्म इथे डिसाइड करत असतो. ओके. नाउ दी नेक्स्ट. हियर दी x square plus 1 upon x square can be written as x minus 1 upon x bracket square plus 2. जर आपण हे जर एक्सपांड केलं, if I expand this, then I will get the middle term minus 2 and minus 2 plus 2, that makes 0, and hence we get our original term आपल्याला इथे मिळत असतं. For example, now see this here, the x square, here is a x square plus 1 upon x square. This term can be written as in terms of the middle term. Middle term च्या square च्या form मध्ये आपल्याला ते लिहायचं असतं. Then we can substitute the value of x minus 1 upon x as m, and then solve that quadratic equation. Now this can be written as x minus 1 upon x, okay, bracket square. If I expand this, then I will get the middle term x square. The square term is like this, middle term is minus 2. म्हणून या मिडल टर्मला बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी आपण काय करत असतो, इथे प्लस 2 इथे घेत असतो. ओके. अँड देअरफॉर वी कॅन बॅलन्स इट. And if we continue this as a plus 2, and then you will get here x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to x square plus 1 upon x square, and therefore x square plus 1 upon x square can be written as like this. Okay. मग याच्यासाठी आपण काय करत असतो, इथे m consider करणार, and then we will get the required expression. Okay. Therefore here x square plus 1 upon x square is replaced by x minus 1 upon x bracket square plus 2 minus 77 in bracket x minus 1 upon x minus 12. That terms are as it is. The terms आपण इथे जसे तसे इथे घेतलेले. Okay. Now the next multiplication. 30 into x minus 1 upon x bracket square is a 30 into x minus 1 upon x bracket square. 30 into 2 have 60 minus 77 in bracket x minus 1 upon x minus 12, and that's equals to 0. Next, this 60 plus 12 minus 12, here is a plus 48. आता इथे substitute करणार आपण x minus 1 upon x. This is a substituted by m. Okay. Replace this x minus 1 upon x as a m. Then the quadratic equation will become 30m square minus 77m plus 48, and that's equals to 0. Okay. पुन्हा quadratic equation, त्याचे factors किती, तर minus 45m and minus 32m. तर त्याचे factors करायचे असतील, you can factorize it like this. That is a 30. Here is a 30 into 48. Okay. And now factorize this. First divided by 2, we did at 15 into 48. Next, divided by 2, 15 into 24. Again by 2, 15 into 12. Again by 2, 15 into 6. Again by 2, 15 into 3. Next, again 3. Then you will get here 15. Again 3, 5, and the last by 5. Okay. In this way. आणि मग यातनं आपल्याला जसे पाहिजे ते नंबर्स म्हणू शकता. That is 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 5, you will get here 45. And the next is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times. Then you will get here 32. 32 and 45 makes 77. Therefore, the factors are minus 45 and minus 32m. Now from the first two terms, that is 30m square minus 45m, we can take 15m as a common. Then in bracket you will get 2m minus 3, and from the last two terms take minus 16 as a common. Then in bracket 2m minus 3, that's equals to 0. Again take the common, 2m minus 3 and 15m minus 16, that's equals to 0. पुन्हा हे equal to 0 करना, and therefore you will get here m is equals to 3 by 2 and another m is equals to 16 by 15. But what is m? m means x minus 1 upon x. Okay. पुन्हा आपल्याला दोन नवीन quadratic equation मिळतील. Substituting the value of x minus 1 upon x for m, then we will have m ची value किती मिळाली आपल्याला? तर 3 by 2. Therefore m is equals to 3 by 2, but m is x minus 1 upon x is equals to 3 by 2. In second case, x minus 1 upon x is equals to 16 by 15. This is the second. Now multiplying the both sides for the first equation by 2x ne multiply karna, and then you will get here 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 1 upon x, x get cancel, you will get here 2, 2x into 3 by 2, again 2 get cancel, you will get here 3x, and therefore 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. पुन्हा याचे factors 2x square minus 4x plus x म्हणजे किती येणार? तर minus 3x, त्यांचा product minus 4x square. Take the 2x as a common, take 1 as a common, x minus 2 in first bracket, second bracket 2x plus 1, that's equals to 0. X minus 2 is equals to 0, or x plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, and hence x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, these are the roots. Now for the second, next साठी किती? The x minus 1 upon x is equals to 16 upon 15. If you multiply this expression by 15x ने जर याला multiply केलं, then what you will get? 15x square. 15x upon into 1 upon x, x will get cancelled, you will get here 15. Again 16 upon 15, if you multiply by 15x, 15 will get cancelled, you will get here 16x. Okay. Now पुन्हा हे quadratic equation, 15x square minus 16x minus 15, that's equals to 0. Therefore 15x square, पुन्हा factors, त्यांचं product किती येणार? The product will be the minus 2 to 5, and therefore minus 29 plus 9 makes minus 16, and their product is किती येणार? तर minus 225. You can take 5x as a common, then in bracket you will get 3x minus 5. From here 3 common, 3x minus 5, that's equals to 0. Therefore 3x minus 5 into 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. Or next is a 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then you will get the two roots. The 5 divided by 3, x is equals to 5 by 3, or x is equals to minus 3 by 5. And hence the roots of the given quadratic equations are काय roots आले? First is 2, second is minus 1 upon 2, third is 5 by 3, and the last is minus 3 by 5. या टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल पण येऊ शकतात परीक्षेला. Next, y square plus 5y in first bracket, second bracket y square plus 5y minus 2 minus 24, and that's equals to 0. तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला कॉमन टर्म्स मिळतात बघा, y square plus 5y and y square plus 5y. We'll substitute the another variable and then solve that equation. Resubstitute पुन्हा त्या variableची value करणार, and then you will get the another two quadratic equation. बघा इथे. So see this here. Substitute y square plus 5y as a m here, then you will get the quadratic equation. इथे किती मिळेल तर m. Next bracket m minus 2 minus 24, and that's equals to 0. पुन्हा हे simplification, m square minus 2m minus 24. What are the factors? Minus 6 plus 4. Therefore, in first bracket m minus 6, second bracket m plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, m minus 6 is equals to 0 or m plus 4 is equals to 0. Now resubstitute the value of m y square plus 5y. आपण इथे टाकणार y square plus 5y minus 6 is equals to 0. Next is y square plus 5y plus 4 is equals to 0. हे simple quadratic equation आहे. याचे factors किती येणार? तर 6y minus y minus 6 is equals to 0. From this, take y as a common. From here, minus 1 as a common. Y plus 6 common घेणार. And then in bracket y minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to minus 6 or y is equals to 1 here. Next, quadratic equation y square plus 5y plus 4 is equals to 0. आता हे कसं लिहिणार? 5y, 4y plus y. From here, take y as a common. From here, 1 as a common. Take y plus 4 as a common. Then the remaining terms y plus 1 is equals to 0. Again, y plus 4 is equals to 0 or y plus 1 is equals to 0. You will get y is equals to minus 4 and y is equals to minus 1. And hence, the roots of the given quadratic equation is minus 6, 1. Okay, minus 6, 1 and minus 4, minus 1. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. Now the next question. For doing some work, Ganesh take 10 days more than John. If both work together, they complete the work in 12 days. Okay. Find the number of the days if Ganesh work alone. Okay. Now the first, yeah. John takes X days to complete the work. Therefore, Ganesh will take X plus 10 days to complete the work. Here we have given that Ganesh take 10 days more than the John. John ला कमी दिवस लागते तिथे आणि ते आपण कन्सिडरेशन साठी जॉनचं काय कन्सिडर केलंय? जॉन टेक्स दी X days to complete the work, complete work. Therefore, Ganesh will take X plus 10. Next, in one day, John does 1 upon X part of the work and Ganesh does the 1 upon X plus 10 part of the work. तो एका दिवसात किती काम करेल? 1 upon X आणि जॉन आणि Ganesh 1 upon X plus 10. Okay. In one day, they together do 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 10 part of the work. आणि दोघांनी ठरवलं की आपण एकाच दिवशी ते किती काम करतील? तर जॉनचं किती आहे? 1 upon X आहे. गणेशचं किती आहे? 1 upon X plus 10. एवढं काम ते एका दिवशी ते दोन्ही मिळून करू शकतात. And if we simplify this, that is 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 10. हे जर आपण simplify केलं, then what you will get is a cross multiplication. X plus 10, 1 into X. That is X plus 10 plus X upon the product of the denominator. X into X plus 10. किती येणार? X square plus 10X. किती किती? 2X plus 10. हे एका दिवशी होणारं काम. आणि याचा रेसिप्रोकल जर केला आपण, then we will get the number of the days they can complete the work. Therefore, the number of days taken by them together to complete the work is याचा रेसिप्रोकल करणार. That is, you will get X square plus 10X upon 2X plus 10. Okay. And therefore, here किती दिवस लागतात त्यांना? जर आपण याचा रेसिप्रोकल केला तर जेवढे दिवस त्यांना काम करण्यासाठी लागतात तेवढी अमाउंट आपल्याला इथे मिळू शकते. दॅट इज दी 12. अँड देअरफॉर X square plus 10X upon 2X plus 10 that's equals to 0. हे कन्सिडरेशन सगळ्यात जास्त महत्वाचं आहे. ते एका दिवसात एवढं काम करू शकतात अँड in the 12 days they will do this amount of the work. Okay. Therefore, X square plus 10X upon 2X plus 10 that's equals to 12. With a cross multiplication, X square plus 10X is equals to 24X plus 120. Puna simplification, X square 10X minus 24X, you will get minus 14X minus 20 is equals to 0. Puna as a factors, minus 20 plus 6. Okay, X minus 20 into another bracket X plus 6 is equals to 0. X minus 20 is equals to 0 or X plus 6 is equals to 0. x is equals to minus 6, x is equals to 20. The number of the days cannot be negative, and therefore we take here x is equals to 20. ओके, म्हणून जॉनला किती दिवस लागतात हे काम करण्यासाठी? दॅट इज 20 days. And therefore to complete the same work, Ganesh will require x plus 10 days. Means what? 20 plus 10, that is equals to 30 days. म्हणून गणेश ते वर्क किती दिवसात कंप्लीट करेल? He will complete his work in 30 days. Okay. And therefore the answer, Ganesh take 30 days to complete the work. Next. And in this way we have completed this part of video. यामध्ये मी क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन कोणत्या टाइपचे विचारले जाऊ शकतात परीक्षेला ते आपण इथे डिस्कस केलेले. नाउ वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. टिल देन, गुड बाय.